for Inter Miami.
What a game, what a match, what a way to cap off our 30th season. They said soccer would never make it in America. Inter Miami fans, has soccer made it? I want to give a shout out to Vancouver, their fans, their players, their ownership. They've done everything to deserve being here tonight. Tonight is about the Hurricanes. Second trophy in their 6th season. Jorge, David, and Jose, you came into this league saying that you would build a team that would fulfill the dreams of millions of people across our country and across the globe, and you did that. For soccer fans across America and Canada, thank you for everything you've done. Leo, it's been an honor that none of us can truly even understand to have you in our league. The thrills, the commitment, the passion, your love of being here in Miami, and your love of your teammates. It's my honor to present the Phil Andrews Trophy to Jorge